Welcome once again. So we'll be continuing from our previous discussion of ways and how to improve the results of the performance of your model during your training process. And let's say you plan to train, run more training experiments. So Ultralytics applies augmentation automatically during training. The most impactful one for foot detection, Mosaic, combines 4 training images into one, which dramatically increases the variety of foot combination the model sees. Things like color jitter changes brightness, contrast, saturation helps the model generalize across different lighting conditions. These are on by default. You do not need to configure them. So let's try to see how this plays out. So let's just take model.train and let's say data is what our data set YAML, right? Epochs is equal to just one epoch so that we can see what happens. Plot is equal to true. We want to see the plots of this. So model.train. Okay, let's get this. Let's get our model once more. Oh, this is wrong. Okay, so for us to see what happens here now, we would have to go to our detect, I think train. Yes, let's go to train. And let's go to our train batch 0. Let's see what happens. So can you see how this augmentation is applied? So it allows the model sees several variations of the same image to better generalize. So this is like a mosaic generated by Ultralytics. So all augmentation is on by default. You don't need to configure them. And a standard in machine learning is you never apply augmentation to validation or test data sets, only training. Because the moment you start doing that, you start introducing things like data leakage. And augmentation is the cheapest way to improve generalization before even adding more data. So the data flywheel, how to keep improving your model. You just need to like annotate more images while focusing on the classes with the lower metrics. So in this instance, for example, when you want to add more data, you can focus on adding more banana, this is the lowest, and orange. So you then retrain. After retraining, you evaluate, then you deploy and you monitor. We'll be providing more context about monitoring in our subsequent videos. So our next video will be moving us to production. So